So today Secretary Yellen hosted the Freedman Bank Forum, which started almost a decade ago by Secretary Jack Lew as an opportunity to commemorate the failed Freedman's Bank, which was a bank that was set up to help freed slaves gain economic opportunity. The Freedman's Bank failed, and it failed slaves in many ways, the same way that Reconstruction failed recently freed African Americans. And we commemorate it here at Treasury as an opportunity to remind ourselves of the importance of trying to keep the unmet promises to not only freed slaves, but to people of color in this country in order to live up to not only our highest ideal as a country, but also to unlock the potential of the U.S. economy. So today was the Freedman Bank Forum, and we had an opportunity to make a number of announcements around how we're creating opportunity for people of color throughout the country. One of the things I hear most of the time from small business owners, be it someone who owns a barbershop, owns a small accounting firm, or a small restaurant, is the thing they need access to money. They need a loan to be able to expand their business. And what we've done at the Treasury Department is that we've put billions of dollars into minority-owned banks owned by Black and brown people in this country, as well as community development financial institutions, which will allow them to use that money to lend to those businesses in their community. Today, a number of the biggest companies in our country have committed to putting together $3 billion that will be used to lend those dollars out to people in those communities. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold those companies accountable to make sure that the commitments they made today are commitments that they actually meet. And the reason that I feel confident they will is because those same companies last year made a commitment to raise $1 billion, and they met that commitment by June. And the reason they did it is not only because it's the right thing to do, but it's good for their business, because ultimately those small businesses and Black and brown communities that they invest in are their customers. And that's why they're here today, and that's why we're working together to try and advance building the kind of economy that works for everybody.